between my knee joint.
Oh.
I don't need to do anything. Just sit right.
Oh.
Oh my God.
That's so good.
That
Just
is,
sit like that.
that's truly amazing.
You see, feel the
Can you come
squeeze.
out of it and back into it one more time?
Yeah,
And show the blade again? I didn't get it.
First of all, you have to have L shape or the frog leg here.
Yeah.
At the
Okay,
at their barrier?
Because we need, if we don't do that, see what happens. Nobody can figure it out because
You can't get the
you
blade.
can.
Yeah.
You can. You can.
Gotcha.
You can, yeah. But once you do this, open L shape, frog leg, it's allowed you to. Because I try to. I always like.
And it's in the right leg.
Curious whole
Okay.
body. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
gotcha.
Stick in it.
Yeah.
Stick in it now. Just around the finger first. On a ball, around the ball, the foot first.
So good.
See? She even
Yeah.
move her. It's very powerful, very strong.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't need to squeeze my. No, I just sit.
Yeah.
I just
Easy.
sit. No. Sit normal. Normal sit. But if I turn my body.
It twists it pulls all the fascia. This is a fascia massage.
Yep.
This is all about fascia. Because that makes. Oh my God.
Okay. And this one's called
Yeah.
Flying Peacock.
Yeah, or peacock dance. You can call that. You know? See that?
Oh
See what I'm doing?
God.
It's very stable.
So amazing.
You know, without this.